Hello and welcome back to my channel where I teach how to make money online. In today's video, I will show how to make payment gateway of our Shopify store. So let's get started. First of all, we have to log in or sign up with the email ID that is required, and we have to click on our settings. So here in the settings, we can see we have option plan. So in plan, we have to select the plan to activate our payment gateway. So here Shopify gives us a four plan. We will just select four of the one. First the basic, then Shopify, advanced, and the fourth is the starter plan. So starter plan will be in downside you can see. So here you can see the basic plan. Basic plan gives us a domestic payment of 3% plus our 30 cents. Okay. So in international it takes about 4% like a fee and 30 cents as their own. So per in person credit card rates are 3% and it's about not extra fee. And in Shopify plan it's all decreases as you can see. It decreases 2.6, here is 3.6 and here is 2.5. So you can just uh, so you can see. So here is the advanced one. In advanced one we have a domestic, international, in personal, in person credit card rates and duty and import taxes. So you can just see here. So here we can see the major difference is between the staff and the reports and the pricing. So in advanced plan we can just do the international pricing. So your business is like a digital product business and you want to make your business international, you can just use this advanced plan in your Shopify. So if you are to choose, so we can just choose the plan. So in choose plan option we have monthly or yearly. So in yearly we can just save $1,585 and monthly we have to pay like a $530 a month. So I can just select yearly and just confirm the billing cycle. So here Shopify gives us a two method to pay, credit card and PayPal. So you can just to pay through your credit card. So credit card you can just get back your cashback rewards or anything, redeem, you can just redeem. But in PayPal you have to pay the fee. You have to like choose the best option for you and just pay and subscribe your Shopify plan. So after that you have to just go to your home, and here we have to click on our settings. So in settings we have to just go to our payments. So in payments, as you can see, Shopify gives us the three payment methods or checkout methods. So we can just select, so we can just active a simple our Shopify payments. So Shopify payments are not available in some countries. So you can just see on the list. You can search on your tab and see. So to activate them, to activate this, you have to just fill your store details fully, your billing information, and your store profile information. Okay. So when you will fill it, okay. So you can just go to your payments option. So here you can just complete the account setup. So here you have to submit the detail that you are having. So we can just you provide your SSN ID, birthday, year, and product detail, and all the things. You can just add here and just to continue, and it will be authorized by Shopify, and your payments, Shopify payments will be activated. And we can in Shopify payments we can just receive the many number of the payments like Visa, Mastercard, MX, our Discover, uh, Apple Pay, GPay. So the second method comes the additional payment method. So in additional payment methods are the third party payments. So here you can see we have option to add a payment method. We can just choose. So in payment method we can search by providers. So we can just search here. We can search here for the providers. So here JP Morgan Chase is a provider. We can just choose and we can just fill their business form and we can just apply. So you can just choose as per your choice and just pay. You can just add. So here you can see the first option comes for PayPal. So in PayPal we have to just click on our manage, and your account will be linked automatically. The account you have logged in. You can just complete the setup by confirming your account of your PayPal. So the third, the in manual. In additional payment, we have Apple Pay. So in Amazon Pay is the Amazon payment option. So from your Amazon wallet, you can just pay. Like people can pay, we can just link them here, and your customer can pay. So the third method comes the manual method. So in manual method, we have the three payment methods. We can just take a COD or a money order or a bank deposit, or we can just uh, create a custom payment method. So custom payment method means you can just uh, like show the option to your customer to pay through your BTC. So or any other currency, you can just here choose a custom payment method option. So here the second option is bank deposit. So the customer can deposit the money in your bank, and you can just confirm their order and send. So money order. So what is money order? So money order is the order that like they will send the money through some medium, and they can just you can just send the product. And COD means you have to send them the product, and the deliverer will collect the cash from them, and they can just enjoy their product after like payment, like doing the payment. So let's add a third party here. We can just search a provider. So you can see is JP Morgan, Chase, or you can just see all the payment method. So let's add this JP Morgan, Chase. So as you can see, to activate it, we have to click like activate here. So here the form is here. So you can just go to your JP Morgan Chase account, and you can just connect them from here, and just you can verify. So when you will verify from here, and Shopify will verify externally also by the JP Morgans. You can see JP Morgan Chase. You can just go, and here you can just make account. If you have account, you can just make account. I don't know what this company very much, so you can just make account of JP Morgan. So if you are finding a payment method, you can just search by methods also. So if I want like accept a Visa, Mastercard, MX, or like we want to accept like Discover, Union Pay. So we can just select more payment option, 7-Eleven or Bitcoin, Ethereum, and we're selecting many more. Select as we have Samsung card also, WeChat Pay, Bitcoin Cash. We have many options to accept the payment. So we can just add them, and we can just add a UPay. Okay, so after doing this, we can just like search here. So here none of the priority swings, so we can just cut some bitcoins. So as you can see, this Asia Bill local payments provide you all the options. We can just see more by here. We can see it more and just activate it. So to activate it, you can just go here, and just like go here. So you can just search here on your Google your Asia Bill local payment. So as you can see, so here you can just go here, or you can just search for your product Asia Bill. Okay, so to Asia Bill. So here we have to just sign up our account. So here we have to provide our company information, our all information, and submit the message, send the message, and they will call or they will contact via anything, and they will uh, authorize you if you are a legal person or not. So they authorize you, and that's it. This is the ways that you can just make a payment gateway of a Shopify store. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.